नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इंग्लिश लीगल 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनिटचे डिक्टेशन घेणार आहोत. बी रेडी, स्टार्ट. द सोल क्वेश्चन which arises for consideration is whether if an order of appointment is procured by playing fraud, then whether such an appointee can be held to be a holder of a civil post in order to seek the provisions of the rules governing his service conditions, or the appointment being void ab initio is liable case to be cancelled without following the procedure prescribed for dispensing with the services. Full stop. In the present case also, the appointment was obtained by the petitioner on the basis of a caste certificate certifying him to be a member of a scheduled tribe to which he did not belong. Stop. Thus, the very basis of the appointment of the petitioner was gone and the appointment was void ab initio. Full stop. The argument of the learned counsel for the petitioner that he had applied for the certificate disclosing his caste as not and had filed the certificate as was issued to him by the authorities, and thus there was no question of any fraud having been without any verification from the authorities, in as much as on account of the non-availability of the records with the authorities, the veracity of the application made by him for issuing a caste certificate could not be certified. Full stop. In the absence of any material, it is hard to believe that the authorities would have issued an incorrect caste certificate to the petitioner. Next para. It is too much of coincidence to believe that a certificate was issued certifying him to be a member of the scheduled tribe wrongly, and the post for the said reserved category was also available, and he was appointed existing the benefit of reservation. Full stop. The petitioner has nowhere disputed that not caste is not notified as scheduled caste, but what he alleged is that the authorities issued him a certificate of scheduled tribe without his involvement in any manner, and the same was filed by him along with the application form. Full stop. In any view of the matter, the petitioner got an appointment on a post reserved for scheduled tribe, though he did not belong, and thus the very foundation of his appointment collapsed and cannot be said to be a legal and valid appointment in the eyes of law. Full stop. In the case of Bank of India versus Avinash Dayal 2005 in bracket 7 SCC 690, where an employee got an appointment in 1976 on a post which was scrutiny committee in 1987, which led to the termination of service. Full stop. In the present case, the petitioner, though not a member of the scheduled tribe, usurp the post which should have been filled in by appointment of a member of said caste, and thus he was disqualified to hold the post, and appointment was void from its very inception. Next para. The order cancelling the appointment also cannot be said to be in violation of principles of natural justice as suggested by the learned counsel for the petitioner, in as much as a show cause notice was issued and reply submitted in response thereof has been taken into account by the authority while passing the impugned order. Full stop. Thus, the requirements of the principles of natural justice were fully followed, and the order cannot be said to have been passed in violation thereof. Full stop. For the facts and reasons discussed above, both the read petitions are devoid of any merits and accordingly stand dismissed. Full stop. However, in the facts and circumstances, there shall be no order as to cost. Stop.